In this video, I'll show you how to enable Inspect Element on the Chrome browser for mobile devices. You can do this on either Android or iOS. First, open Google Chrome. Then tap the three-dot menu and select the star icon at the top to open the bookmark section. You'll be prompted to add a new bookmark. Name the bookmark something you can remember. I'll name it Inspect Element. Next, copy the Inspect Element script from this video's description and paste it into the URL section of the bookmark. Once done, close the bookmark menu. Now, go to any website. I'll use google.com as an example. Once you're on the website, tap the search bar and type in Inspect Element. You should see the Inspect Element option under Mobile Bookmarks. Tap on it. A gear icon will appear at the bottom right of your screen. Tap it, and you'll see the Inspect Elements tab pop up. You can also use it in desktop mode by following the same steps. You can now use this on any website by selecting the Inspect Element bookmark whenever you need it. If this video helped you, please hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.